What is a Kanban board?
A Kanban board is a visual tool that helps you manage tasks and workflows. It is usually set up as columns labeled To Do, In Progress, and Done. By moving task cards from one column to another, you can easily track progress and see what needs attention. This keeps teams and individuals organized and focused on priorities.
How do I set up a Kanban board?
Setting up a Kanban board is simple and flexible. Start by creating 3 main columns: To Do, In Progress, and Done. Write out each task on a separate card or sticky note. Place the cards in the appropriate column according to their current status. You can use physical boards or digital tools like Trello, Jira, or Asana.
What are the key benefits of using Kanban?
Kanban boards provide clarity, transparency, and improved productivity. They make it easy to see what work is pending, ongoing, or finished. This helps you identify bottlenecks, avoid overload, and keep everyone informed. Teams communicate better, adapt quickly to changes, and deliver results more consistently.
How can I make my Kanban board more effective?
Customize your Kanban board to fit your project and team needs. Add or rename columns to match your workflow stages. Set limits on how many tasks can be in each column to prevent overload. Use colors, tags, or labels to organize by priority or team member. Review your board regularly to update progress and improve efficiency.
Can Kanban boards be used for personal projects?
Absolutely. Kanban isn't just for teams. It's great for personal organization too. Use a board to manage household chores, study schedules, or hobby projects. Breaking tasks into smaller steps and moving them across the board keeps you motivated and on track to reach your goals.